Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will share with you how to upload files in SiteGround. First, visit siteground.com website, then click on Login, fill in your login credentials and hit Login again. Now access your website's page from this top menu, and next to your website, click on Site Tools button. Now from this left side menu, click on Site and select File Manager. From this File Manager page, you can access your website files to delete, upload, modify, edit permission of all the files of your websites, of your selected website. Now, to access your website files, just double click this public HTML folder. As you can see, my website is empty, which is true. This is my website, Ben's tutorial. If I hit refresh, the website does not have any single file. Now, if you want to upload a single file, click on this file upload icon. And if you have to upload a folder, go with the other icon to the right called folder upload. In my case, I will upload a single file, so I will go with the first one. This is the file I want to upload called index. This is the same folder on my computer. I will double click it, and this is the content of this file called index. I will close this window, go back, click on file upload this index file. As you can see, uploaded successfully. Now if I go to my website and refresh it, it shows up. And this is how to upload a single file, a single small size file. If you want to upload a large file, for example, a website backup, it is better to do it with an FTP software, for example, FileZilla. Now, if you don't have FileZilla installed on your computer, you can download it simply from the official website of FileZilla. Just click on download FileZilla client. Click on download FileZilla client and go with the free version. It is more than enough. Click on download. After the download is completed, double click it and follow the installation progress. In my case, I already installed this FileZilla software, so I will open it. This is the FileZilla software. Now you need to connect this FileZilla software with your website in SiteGround. To do that, simply go back to Site Tools and below Site, click on FTP accounts. Now, in my case, I don't have any FTP accounts yet, so I will create one. So below create new FTP account, give your account name, password, one to eight. Hit create. I recommend you to go with a strong password. I think they didn't accept it, so I will use a strong password. This is a strong password. Now hit create button. And as you can see, FTP account is created. Before I continue this video, I want to let you know that you can get access to my online course called SiteGround Shared Hosting Explained today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with SiteGround, how to set up your website, how to make your WordPress or website in general secure inside SiteGround, also how to optimize your website speed and performance, how to manage files and database inside SiteGround, how to set up email, how to manage your domains and DNS, advanced tools, e-commerce setup, SEO and analytics, and also how to manage your SiteGround account and contact support. You can get all of this for free today, plus my other courses on the same platform, which are courses about other web hosting providers or other tools like this Canva tools, MailChimp, Squarespace, and let's see the page number 2. Google Search Console, Hostinger, Website Builder, Bluehost, HostGator, Namecheap. To get all of this today for free, simply go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our video. Now, to get your FTP credentials that you need to fill in here, click on these three dots and select FTP credentials. Now my host name is ftp.bensexperience.com. My username is this one, and the password is the one I've just filled in this password form. If you don't remember it, just click on these three dots and go with change password, and here fill in a new password and make sure to copy it here. In my case, I will fill in the same password I've just created and hit quick connect. Check this box of always trust this certificate in future sessions to avoid seeing this same pop-up window. And look here at your login authentication failed. I think I've misspelled something, so here I will make sure that no password is added before or after my FTP credentials, and I think here the password is not correct, so I will create, or I will change my password again. Let's delete this password and hit quick connect again. And just like that, I was connected to my website. Now double click this my website folder. Same thing, do not upload any file here because the correct folder is this public HTML folder. Double click it, and here I have access to my single file in my website. From here also you can delete a file, multiple files, and now to upload large files, simply open your file manager on your computer or simply any file, and let's say that your file is this one, your large file is this one. You can just drag and drop it like that. As you can see, successful transfer. This transfer was quick because the file is very small in terms of size. And just like that, here you can also see the successful transfers, the failed ones. In order to restart the transfer, queued files, and settings that I recommend you to know about FileZilla is these ones. For example, how many files you want to transfer simultaneously. Here I can see 3 files at the same time. If your internet is weak and you want stable transfer, it is better to go with just one file at the time. If you have if you have a fiber optic or high-speed internet, you can go with 5 files as simultaneously. And this is how to upload files in SiteGround. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.